Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use monday.com to manage your video projects. So you have to go to your workspace and you have to click this blue button which is used to add item to workspace. Then you have to click this button, choose from templates. Here you have to search for video and you will get this template which is called video project production management. You have to click on it and then you have to click use template and it will set up this template for you. So once the template is set up, it will give you all the options to manage all of your video projects. Like it will give you the options to manage your incoming requests, like in work, the videos you're working on, the videos that you have done, the videos that you're stuck in. So you can add all of the details here. You can add video leads, you can add videos, you can add requested, request date, client, priority, release date, and you can add other columns according to your needs. Like you can add brief, estimated budget, actual budget, delta, location, inspiration, and you get a lot of options. And you can manage all of your video projects using this single template in monday.com. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.